Hello, I'd like to show you a little bit of my knowledge about trees and what to look for. These two are from the same family. They're both oaks. This one is a red oak and this is a white oak. The difference is the leaf patterns. These ones have pointed edges and these ones are rounded. This here is a sprig from a ash tree. And you can tell because these leaves often come in 7 or in 5. So it would either be like this or like that. And fun fact, these are actually an endangered tree due to a beetle named the emerald ash borer. And what they do is they go under the bark, place their larvae, and eat away at the underside of the bark, in which leaves these trails of squiggly lines, and it's basically cutting off circulation to the rest of the tree, so it'll die very, very fast. These leaves, you can see, they're almost heart-shaped. These are from a cotton tree, and often when you're walking around and you see little things, almost like dandelion puffs, floating around, it's from these. They have very knobby sticks that have bumps everywhere, and they have very large trunks. I also want to share a piece of valuable information with you. So we all know poison ivy, but not everybody knows exactly what it looks like. Well, here's a little tip that I know. When you're walking around in the forest, they're always going to be in groups of 3. But if you look carefully, each leaf has these little distinct shapes. So ignore that. But basically, it'll look like mittens almost. So each side will have a thumb hole, but the centermost leaf will always have 2 thumb holes. And that's how you know that it's poison ivy. But when they're blooming, well, not with flowers, but with berries, you can always tell which is poison ivy and which is the antidote, which I can't think of the name at the top of my head. But if you ever get hurt by poison ivy, make sure to find the opposite color berry and you'll find your antidote. And fun fact, did you know that trees can never die of old age? Thanks for tuning in.